catching feelings, baby.
Hey guys, it's Keandra and I'm back with another video. So this video is sponsored by UNice Hair. I want to thank them for sending me this hair to review, and let's get into the video. So of course they come with goodies, so I finally got me a UNice robe. I swear, no matter how many UNice videos I do, I was like, yo, where is my robe? But I finally got my robe, and it's just hot pink robe, and y'all know I love me a good robe. So now I have another one to add to my collection, and as you can see, I'm just super happy I finally got one. And then the robe also came with, I think that's the belt for the robe, if I'm not mistaken. And then it came with some more goodies. So of course you get your little bag, and inside the bag you get a bonnet. So now I got a bonnet to match my robe. Like, you're not gonna be able to tell me nothing. I love a good bonnet, as you guys can see. I have a lot of them. So yeah, I have a bonnet to match my robe, and then it came with another headband or elastic band. I love these, y'all. Like, it really melts the lace. Some wig caps, and a makeup brush, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, a makeup brush. And then of course they always send you some lashes. So let's get into the actual hair. So they sent me a 22-inch 4x4 lace closure wig. I already washed it because I had to bleach the knots last night. So this is what it looks like. I bleached the knots and plucked a little bit. I'm not a pro, y'all. It still look kind of thick to me, but I'm gonna make it work, as you guys will see. So stay tuned and watch me install this wig.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else will do like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me to love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, all day long. Your love is one in a million. go through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. Not trying not to show how I feel about you. I wish away. Really, really wanna run, just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away. Palm trees, beach views, losing every day. All I wanna do is in the visions I replay.
Alright guys, so this is the next day. I put flexi rods in it, and this is how I normally get my big voluminous curls. I get lots of compliments when I do my hair this way, and my hair doesn't smell like burnt weave. We all hate that burnt smell, so this is the way I get my heatless curls. If you guys want a flexi rod tutorial, then just let me know down below. But yeah, it was super easy. Held a curl perfectly, of course, because it is a body wave unit. I wanted to wear it straight, but it's like really hard to get body wave hair like bone straight. But yeah, this is basically it. I want to thank you guys for watching, and if you have any questions, I'll have all the details for this wig down in the description box below. I want to thank UNice for sponsoring this video. I literally have no complaints about this wig. It was easy to lay, easy to blend, really pretty seamless. Also, make sure you participate in the UNice app community activities so you can win free wigs and various prizes. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
You